headed to Jake's house to go work on his Pro XP race car. Today, I don't know what all he's done already or whatnot, but we might be doing an exhaust install, or he might have already installed it, I don't know. We're headed over there, and you guys will see it in just a minute. Alright, so I got it all unboxed, sitting here on the floor in front of me. Didn't realize it's a full system. Haven't installed the full system yet, so I've just installed the slip-ons. But look at it. Look at these parts. They look so good.
Just look.
So we gotta pull all the stock BS off, and somewhere in here is some bolts that you gotta undo. So it's just 3 13mm bolts right here, I think. Well, just the normal turbo flange. We got a spring right here, and a spring right up under here. You have to pull off, and then you'll be able to pull the muffler off. And then up here under this heat shielding is some Allen head bolts, I believe. Hopefully those come out easy, because it's
not easy on a used car.
yeah, it's not as easy on a used car, but where this one hasn't been heat cycled much, it should come off pretty easy. Just got probably just pull this heat shielding out of the way just so it's easier to get in there. I took a little bit more of the heat shielding off than probably what you need to do it, but I don't know what I'm doing. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 6mm Allen bolts, and that doesn't fit right there. But anyways, I'll just go ahead and pull them off. Hopefully they come off easy. Yeah, I don't think I unplugged that yet. Probably a good idea to do that. It just unplugs in a real inconvenient way.
That is the titties there.
Some custom CAD software going on over here.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
So you're just gonna drill like a hole like right here for the intake on the clutch?
Yeah, probably like right there-ish. As far back as I can.
Pretty much just have a big scoop so it scoops as much air as it can.
Yep.
Alright. Oh. Okay, so we just gotta get this plug out. There we go. There you have it. Wonder if there's... Stay. So there's quite a bit of difference in between how this one is flanged compared to this one.
Really?
A little bit. I think this one's got this step right here. It looks like it's the same size pipe though, just don't have the flex in it. Okay, so to put this bracket on there, take your bolt, put it through there, then this spacer, and it goes through there, and then this spacer with the little step on it goes in there, and then what did I do with the nut? Shit. And then a nut and a normal washer. Then the brackets are installed. See? It's real like steampunk looking.
Oh
I
yeah.
think, right? Is that the right term?
I don't know. I think so. Like, sort of gets my wiener hard.
So is the end of this wing stop right here?
Si, senorita. There you go.
I like that. I think that looks pretty cool.
Yeah, and then the bottom I'll do the same way. I'll fold those up and then rivet all along the bottom. That's how we're gonna weld it.
So you're gonna weld it with rivets?
Yeah. It's so freaking cool.
So all this is just ducting for the clutch. In case I didn't explain it before.
Top secret shit.
Yeah. Or at least none of this till. So we'll just slip. Now that we got this slipped on, we weren't able to use the Trinity head pipe because this is a race car. So we just cut the flange off the old one, and then we're going to put these pieces onto there, kind of, and then they bolt in right there onto the mufflers.